I'm Mark from eReplacementParts.com. In this quick fix, I'm going to show you how to replace the brushes on a DeWalt D28402 grinder. Start by removing the rear cover. Next, I'll remove the paddle switch assembly and the lock button. Now I can remove the lower part of the housing. Now we have access to the brush holder and the brush wire. I'll pull the brush wire off of its terminal. Lift the brush tension spring out of the way and flip the brush holder up. Now I can remove the brush. And I repeat this process on the other side. Now I can install the new brushes. Start by threading the brush wire through the brush holder. Next, insert the brush into the holder. Now pull the brush tension spring out of the way and flip the brush holder down. And replace the brush tension spring back onto the holder. And reattach the brush wire onto the terminal. And now repeat this process on the other side. Now I can reattach the two sides of the housing. Care must be taken here to make sure that the wires are routed away from the armature fan. The wires fit in little tabs on the sides of the motor. I route the wires down and around the side of the fan. There's a little shroud to protect the wires. Next, I need to route the wires around the switch. The wires fit down in some little grooves on the sides of the housing. And I'll just spin the grinder by hand to make sure that everything is clear. Now I'll reinstall the switch pieces, starting with the lock button and then the paddle switch. And last, I'll reinstall the housing side. And that's how to remove and replace the brushes on a DeWalt D28402 grinder.